Every U.S. citizen has a type of dual citizenship. Americans are citizens of the United States and also citizens of the respective states in which they live. Federalism is the division of governmental powers among the various levels of government. While federalism is a crucial principle in the U.S. Constitution, the document never uses the actual word. But rest assured, our governmental system has several basic federal characteristics. The states are subordinated to the national government, and the Constitution is the supreme law of the land. But we should note that national and state governments have distinct areas of responsibility and power. States have a general power to regulate behavior and enforce order, but powers granted by the people to the federal government are specifically enumerated in the Constitution. Alexander Hamilton argued that creating a sovereign national government and sovereign state governments subordinate to the national government would help protect individual rights against abuses by either government. James Madison said the proposed Constitution was both national and federal or state-based. For instance, representation in the House is determined by the total population within the individual state, while representation in the Senate is equal for each state. In the original Constitution, the U.S. Senate received its power from the states because senators were chosen by the state legislatures, not elected by the people as they are today. The process of amending the Constitution may begin at the federal level or at the state level. Ratification, however, depends on a large number of states approving the measure. Presidential elections, meanwhile, are based upon vote counts from each state, but ties in the Electoral College are resolved in the House of Representatives, where members are elected by individual citizens. The Federalists argue that as long as federal power was exercised by a president and a Congress who were elected by those directly accountable to the states, as well as the citizens of the states, both state sovereignty and individual liberty would be preserved. And so, the doctrine of federalism stands today as a way to establish and keep power in the hands of the people.